Forever Mark Forum, which is happening from August 18th, 19th and 20th, virtually for the first time. So you have been part of Forever Mark for some time now. So if you can please tell us how has been your journey with Forever Mark?
Good afternoon, Samit. Good to see you. And I think it's a new normal of seeing you online, talking with people online. I'm very happy that the Forever Mark Forum is happening because there were a little doubt on whether it will happen or will it get postponed for next year. So good part is happening. Though it's virtual, but I think we are all excited for it. And like you said, how the journey and when it starts. So I think Forever Mark journey has been a very, very fruitful, mutually beneficial and a very enriching journey. I think it's been almost 5 years now that we're Forever Mark. We started on a very small note. We had just one store, and we started with a single store having Forever Mark certified diamond. And from 1 we went to 3, then we went to 5 in the third year, and today almost all our stores are Forever Mark certified. It's a great journey. It's been very enriching in the sense that there's been a lot of mutual idea exploration. There's a lot of mutual initiatives being taken, and it's always been a very productive and a very team effort-based association. So the journey has grown over the years, and I think this is just the start of the journey. We are looking forward to many more years and many more things to be done together. And like we all say, teamwork is the best you can have for any industry, and Forever Mark really signifies that.
Great. So with Forever Mark diamonds, which is the first branded diamonds in the country. How has been in terms of collaborations, how has the consumer benefited? How has the PNG diamond consumer benefited?
See, Forever Mark, like we all know, Forever Mark diamonds are really, hand-picked, and like 1 in a million diamond qualifies to be a Forever Mark diamond. So obviously the customer, the consumer definitely gets the best of best quality, what we call creme de la creme. And at PNG, we have ensured that the customer is not, charged more for it. So, he is not being penalized more or paying more for the diamond, but we ensure that, we give him the best diamond. Each diamond, has a Forever Mark inscription on that, which is shown to the consumer. So consumer mentally, definitely, has a confidence that, yes, I'm buying the best diamond available in the world today. And along with that, there's a certificate by Forever Mark. It is, then there's this guarantee by PNG. So consumer gets double assurance, and I think as time is going by, we're seeing certification, assurance being of vital importance for a consumer. So in such time when the jeweler himself, is giving his own guarantee backed by a well-renowned, world-known company, it definitely adds to it. And I think the consumer gets to get the best diamond which are available in the world, hand-picked, hand-chosen, with the best quality. So definitely he's rest assured that he's made the right investment. And like we said, a diamond investment is definitely appreciating. It's a long-term investment for a consumer, and it's also luxury. So I think he really catered well in this aspect, and even we are assured that we are giving the consumer the best what the world has to offer.
Great. And what are you expecting? What are your expectations? Because Forever Mark is known for its hospitality during the forum, and what are you expecting in this edition, which is going to be virtual?
In virtual, your expectations become limitless. Yeah. So, like we are saying, what all can we do? So yes. The basic, on a serious note, what we're expecting is that, like every year, the tradition of having good speakers covering various subjects. So it's not only about diamonds or about jewelry, but about technology, be it AI, be it new trends in retail, international exposure, and we have always had subjects which are of varied nature. So there are people who are talking about space exploration, to people talking about new trends, say in consumer behavior, to something on psychological side. So I think the journey should continue. That session, that 2-3 things which we expect from a forum. One is hearing speakers, sharing their knowledge. Second thing is to bond with all the jewelry industry friends. So this year is going to be virtual, but it's good to see everybody. Now you can chat with each one of them, understand how things are happening, how the year has gone by. So that's definitely what we're looking at. And third is to look at the manufacturers who will display the new designs, new collection, we are talking of mid-August, so it's going to be by the time you place orders and get deliveries, you'll be just before Diwali, the festive season. So on a serious note, we'll be expecting the forum to really continue its work which has been doing for the last number of years. And I think, like you said, the forum is known for the great hospitality which ForyoMark does. So Sachin himself is a great host, and his entire team ensures that every person who attends the forum is well attended. He personally ensures that every guest is feeling comfortable. So I'm sure that there will be a lot of surprises this year when it's online, virtual. So let's hope, let's see what Team ForyoMark has to offer. But I'm sure that it'll be, because the invite which Sachin had sent, where he pops out of the computer screen and invites you personally, it has set the bar very high.
Yes.
And I think Sachin himself is a great fan of new technology. He's very bullish on AI. So I think this year you'll see the forum exploring this side of Sachin to the maximum extent. So let's hope it'll be a fun time, and like always there'll be a lot of fun around it. Entertainment will also be online.
Yes.
So I think we are looking forward to it, and because it's online this time, we can have more number of people also being a part of it. So a lot of people from our team, which every year would not be attending, will also be a part of it. So I think it's going to be a bigger gathering, a larger gathering, and in a different way, in a new normal. So I think we're excited, and like always, wish Sachin, entire Team India, ForyoMark, DBS all the best, and we hope to see all of them very soon.
Great. Thank you very much, Saurabh. Thank you, and wish you a great Diwali and upcoming wedding season. And any message for the industry that how Diwali and wedding season will go?
Thank you, Samit. And I really want to tell the entire industry one thing, that our industry is going to see great times in the coming years. I think in the coming months ahead, because even we have seen that everyone talking about the industry right now is gems and jewelry. Gold is doing well, silver is doing well. People are flocking to the stores. So I think we right now have to really remain composed, be practical, be ambitious, but also be practical. And I think we have to be positive in this time toward ourselves, toward the entire company, and toward customers. Be empathetic, but I think we are heading for good times. So let's be confident, let's be focused. I think as an industry, we have really seen a lot of tough times. Now we all deserve to see good times. And a good time really means to see the industry really thriving, and all of us being happy and being successful.
Lovely.
So I think this 2020 will start good time for a gem and jewelry industry.
Great. Thank you. Thanks a lot, Saurabh. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, Samit. See you.
See you. Bye. Thank you.
Bye.